Why do we need to show causation in order to show that you have a valid case? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. It doesn't matter whether it's an accident case or a medical malpractice case or a wrongful death case. We are required to show that we are more likely right than wrong, that what you are claiming is true. We have to show that there was carelessness or negligence. We have to show that the carelessness was a cause of your injury. And we have to show that your injuries are significant or permanent. Now, causation is known as the link between the wrongdoing and your injury. Sometimes it's a bridge, it's that link, it's a connection. And I say we have to show that there is a cause. We don't have to show that it is the only cause, we have to show it is a cause. Very important. Or let's put it a different way. What is the sequence of events that brought you here today? So, in a car accident case, it's where somebody crossed over the double yellow line, hit you head on, they were being careless, they were on the phone texting. That was the initial event that now caused the car to travel over the double yellow line, causing your car to get hit head on, causing you to suffer significant injury, leading you into an ambulance to take you to the hospital for life-saving emergency surgery, where you needed orthopedic surgery, you needed surgery, abdominal surgery, to try and save your life. And now you're spending 3 weeks in the intensive care unit, then you're spending a month and a half in rehabilitation to try and learn how to walk again. What was the sequence of events that brought you here today? It all started with someone being careless on their phone while driving. And now, as a direct result of their carelessness, of their negligence, now this ripple effect occurred of these unintended consequences that you now suffer, these horrible injuries that have disrupted your entire life. We are required to show that there is a direct connection between the carelessness and your injuries. If there is no connection, then we can't go forward with a valid case. The defense will ask the judge to throw the case out, and you know what? The judge would be absolutely right if we cannot show that we are more likely right than wrong, that there is a direct connection between the wrongdoing and the injury. The same thing applies in a medical malpractice case. If a doctor violated the basic standards of medical care, but that wrongdoing, that carelessness, was not a cause of your injuries, then we can't go forward with a valid case. We have to be able to show that link, that causal link, the sequence of events that has that ripple effect that shows that one direct thing, one piece of carelessness is related to the injuries that you suffered. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in these civil lawsuits here in the state of New York. You know, I understand you're watching this video because you likely have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit, but you have questions that need answers, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a great day.